branding process, who's the target for the business? Be really, really clear. Have a dream list of ideal clients that you want to market to. So super clear messaging. And when I say to people, well, hang on a minute, you've been in business for 4 or 5 years. Surely you must have a database of past clients that you want to market to. You'll be amazed the number of people that don't even have records of past clients. They don't have a database, they don't have an audience to market to. No, new clients. Keep posting on social media, new clients. Doesn't work. Work out your hourly rate. Your time is best spent working on the business. That's all you should be doing. It's not doing your admin. You can hire a PA to do your admin. I'm sure it's a few dirhams an hour or something. There's that available. Someone to do your accounts and things.
You see, I saw you always helping people on LinkedIn and entrepreneurs, some people that they have a passion or something in their mind, some experience, and you help them leaving an impact and at the same time also getting some sort of monetization from that experience and inspiration. So what is your thought process of helping those people who have like experience, values, and they can start monetizing from this experience?
So I work with businesses on their marketing. So I work with individuals as well as business owners. I run the masterclasses, and I think it's how people always want to. The thing they always ask me is, how do I get clients into the business? How do I grow this business? And it's all about consistency. So being really clear. I always say to people in our process that we work with on our branding process, who's the target for the business? Be really, really clear. Have a dream list of ideal clients that you want to market to. So super clear messaging. How to be really clear. I help people find their voice to market their business, their product, their service to their ideal audience. Most people here don't really know how to do that here. Is this the answer you wanted? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Okay, this is the answer. So, so I help them with a creative plan.
Mm-hmm.
We know who the target is,
Mm-hmm.
and we go after that target. And you've got to remember, the more you do something, like, you've seen me on LinkedIn. If I was just doing a few posts sporadically, you'd never have noticed. But what it is the consistency that is key to any business growth. Consistency. So if we're going to market Tuesday 10 o'clock every week, we have to make sure it's Tuesday 10 o'clock every week. So if we're going to go after a particular type of audience, it just has to be really consistent and clear messaging, clear design. So again, consistency. And it's not overnight. Mm-hmm. This, people think today, someone said to me, so if we can start seeing results of this and we'll mm-hmm. keep going after 3 months. I said, it could take longer to grow your business. It's all about, keeping in touch with your audience and being targeted. It's not a quick fix, send out a newsletter, do a few social posts, do a quick LinkedIn post, an influx of business. If it was that easy, we'd all be doing it. We'd all be multi-millionaires, but that's not the case. It's about consistency again and again. Why do you think, if you look at your shampoo bottles at home, why do you think it says rinse and repeat on it? They're even telling you how to wash your hair. The idea is they want you to rinse and repeat. So you go and buy more of the product, again and again and again. And it's like any marketing, it has to be consistent again and again and again.
Do you think that branding or marketing in that manner, is it a skill or a talent?
What, for me?
Mm-hmm. From your personal philosophy.
Yeah, I think out here people think the receptionist can do the marketing. I mean, I'm amazed at people who think they know marketing, but they really don't. And that's why I think I can say this. I've earned the right after 16 years. I think marketing out here is rubbish.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's rubbish. It's primitive. It's crap. It all sounds the same. Everyone, have you not noticed? Everyone looks the same. The same offer, 2 for 1, discount. We live in a discount culture. Nobody cares about discounts. If you love this brand, you don't care about a discount. You don't care about 2 for 1. But everyone thinks that's the way to get people in the business, as well as the acquisition of new clients. And when I say to people, well, hang on a minute, you've been in business for 4 or 5 years. Surely you must have a database of past clients that you want to market to. You'll be amazed at the number of people that don't even have records of past clients. You know, they don't have a database. They don't have an audience to market to. No, new clients. Keep posting on social media, new clients. Doesn't work. Does not work.
Yeah, I keep saying this is one of the biggest mistakes also I've done, that social media could help you generating leads.
It's a window.
Yeah,
it's a window.
But it's not your asset.
It's not the engine. So the engine is your data. Your engine is your content, your tactics. As I said, I'm a tactical marketeer. I'm much more strategic, much more targeted. You know, if someone says to me, I just wanted to post on my social media, I'd say, no, go away. That's not what I do. I'm way more tactical. And tactical people, a lot of people don't even know what tactical means, which is great. I'm not going to say it now. I want to stay niche, and that's my niche. So people, let's say, I want to find clients, keep the clients. I want to remarket again and again and again. And that's how I work with people, is finding that voice, finding that content to keep doing that.
Yeah. So if I'm an entrepreneur,
Yeah.
and I believe that one of the biggest resources that we have is time, right?
Yeah.
How can, let's say that I have my business,
Yeah.
but I'm stuck in terms of time and I want to scale my business to the other level. Let's say that I have I want to move from 6 figures into 7 figures into 8 figures.
Yeah.
How can I do this? What is your tactical?
My best advice to anyone is outsource to experts. Don't mean outsource to somebody who, you know, and when business owners say to me in my masterclasses, yeah, but the thing is I wear 6 hats because I'm doing my accounts, I'm posting on social media, I'm trying to do my marketing, and I'm trying to find clients and grow the business. And I said, well, no, if you work out your hourly rate, it's going to be far easier to, for example, outsource your accountants. I'm rubbish with maths, rubbish. I would get my accountant to do it because it's much cheaper than me trying to sit there figuring out a balance sheet. No way my accountant would do it. You outsource to experts. So I am free to work on my business. That's my role. I very rarely do delivery because I work solely on growing the business. That's what Brand Commander does, with or without the hat. But that's my job. But so when people say, yeah, but I've also got to do my accounts and I've also got to do this. No, work out your hourly rate. Your time is best spent working on the business. That's all you should be doing, is not doing your admin. You can hire a PA to do your admin. You know, I'm sure it's a few dirhams an hour or something. There's that available. Someone to do your accounts and things. Someone to do your marketing. We know who they should call, right? But yeah, because somebody like us would be much quicker at doing this and doing it right rather than business owners. I remember years ago meeting somebody, and they were a vet, and she goes, I haven't been able to treat any of my cats and dogs. And it was raining cats and dogs, you know, it was full of, anyway. And I said, why have you not been able to do all this and do that and run your business? She goes, I've been trying to design a newsletter for the last 2 weeks. Hideous newsletter. And I said, and this is to go to your audience. Yes. How many hours have you spent on that? And she was like, 12 hours. Trying to put bits in, move that, make it look interesting, find a picture of a dog. And I was just like, but as a vet, That's 12 hours you could have spent on your business, maybe doing some veterinary surgery, rather than pissing around on a newsletter that nobody was going to read because it was long, laborious, because she just wanted to put in all this stuff and and then chuck it into someone's inbox, hopefully not mine. And they wouldn't need to use any anesthetic, because that would have sent people to sleep. You know, this long, laborious email. And that's what business owners sometimes do. They can't see that they shouldn't be doing this. They should be outsourcing it to an expert who is able to do this for them. And this is the problem out here. You've got too many people, business owners, no offense to anyone, but who think they think they know better. They think they know better. I would never go to my accountant. No. That's not how you do a balance sheet. That's not how you do this set of accounts. No. I know better. Let me get my calculator out that's on my phone. No, doesn't work that way. But everyone thinks they're a marketeer out here. They also think, because of Canva, the number of people that say to me, do you use Canva? No. Why would I? But Canva's also made people into now their own graphic designers. And it just looks crap. So again, why waste your time figuring out Canva? Outsource it to an expert. And that's the best thing any entrepreneur can do in terms of time. Spend your time focusing on growing your business, outsource everything else to experts.
It's actually great. Very, very nice idea. Because most entrepreneurs, I believe that they are stuck on the daily operations that they're moving their business. They don't have the time even to think for a second just to move the wheel. They will never scale if they don't outsource. We have also something in lean thinking that there are some value-adding activities and there are some non-value-adding activities. If you just understand what are you doing on the day, and you understand what is the value adding that you're doing for your business, something like Canva, something like let's say as you said, that financial accounting, all this stuff, if I outsource it, see how long or time that I can save it, and I can spare a lot of time, do another project.
Business, not in the business.
Exactly. But I believe that I'm one of them. Before I didn't have the time to think even. So operations is taking me, but we have to reflect in that manner.